Dear children, I was taught you history lesson second last day. Now look at the page number 15, annexation of Punjab. Annexation of Punjab. The conquest of Punjab was necessary for British to extend the frontiers of their empire in northwest. After the death of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, there was utter political chaos and confusion in Punjab. Major Broadfoot, the political agent of the British, tried to divide the Sikh nobles and induced the Sikh army to cross the river Satluj. By the Treaty of Amritsar 1809, the river had been fixed as the boundary line between the British and Maharaja Ranjit Singh territory. As soon as the Sikh army crossed the river, Lord Hardinge declared war. The first war, Anglo-Sikh War 1845-46, ended in the willful destruction of the Khalsa. By the Treaty of Lahore in 1846, Maharaja Dalip Singh surrendered all his territories to the left of river Satluj and between the river Satluj and Beas. He also ceded Jammu and Kashmir to pay for a huge war indemnity. The strength of his army was greatly reduced. A British regiment was stationed at Lahore with a protection force. The peace settlement of 1846, however, fulfilled neither the imperialistic ambitions of the British nor satisfied the Sikhs. The Sikhs did not like the British interference in the internal affairs of Punjab. Lord Dalhousie was simply waiting for an opportunity to annex Punjab. The revolt in Multan gave him this opportunity. Thus followed the Second Anglo-Sikh War 1848-1849. After the series of battles, the Sikh finally surrendered. The British annexed Punjab in 1849. Maharaja Dalip Singh was deported to England and given a pension. The famous diamond Kohinoor was also taken away from him and presented to Queen Victoria. Annexation of doctrines of lapse. After taking over the Governor General in 1848, Lord Dalhousie began the final stage of annexation. He devised a policy called the Doctrine of Lapse, which stated that if the ruler of the dependent state should die without any heir, his adopted son would not succeed him. Instead, that state would lapse or go back to the British company. This doctrine of left was applied to annex Satara, Jaipur, Udaipur, Sambalpur, Nagpur, Magad and Jhansi. Berar and Awadh were annexed by him on the charge of maladministration. Similarly, he annexed Karnataka and Tanjore by abolishing the titles and pension of their respective rulers. Cause of defeat of Indian state. Causes of the defeat of the Indian state. Regional state which emerged after the disintegration of the Mughal Empire were small in size and weak in resources. These states were engaged in constant fighting with each other. They were not united to fight against the British. Indian rulers did not provide a stable and efficient government to the people, hence could not win the loyalty of their subjects. Many states like Hyderabad chose to seek protection under the British and willfully accepted the subsidiary alliance. Britain was a great naval power. Now, quick recap. The Europeans entered India as traders and set up their outpost on the Indian soil. The Portuguese were the first to arrive in India, then followed the British, French, Dutch and Danish. The English and the French were the main rivals. The English finally emerged victorious. The English began to interfere in the internal matter of the Indian state due to political instability and lack of a central power. In the Three Carnatic War, the English and French sided with the opposite claimants. In the decisive Battle of Plassey, 1757, Clive defeated the Nawab of Bengal and British emerged as political power. In the Battle of Buxar, 1764, the combined force of Nawab, Awadh and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II were defeated by English army. By the Treaty of Allahabad, 1765, the company got the right of collecting revenue in Bengal, Orissa, Bihar and Awadh. The British became the virtual ruler now. Clive introduced dual government in Bengal. Warren Hastings obliged the dual government system in 1774. The British finally emerged victorious in the Mysore Wars. During 1775-1818, the British fought with the Marathas who were ultimately defeated. The Marathas suffered defeat due to various reasons including lack of unity and organization, mutual rivalries and enmity, lack of trained and organized army, narrow outlook, neglecting their subject extra. The British were engaged in expanding their empire between 1805 to 1856. Thus subjugated the Sikh and Gorkhas and occupied and annexed Burma. Dalhousie annexed various states by the doctrine of lapse, misrule, extra. Thanks. Next.